Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration of how to use GitHub Copilot to make your code more robust. And let's take a look at what it generated in the past. You can see this has got doc strings, it's got if, try, and except values. So we're going to modify this one here. And I highlighted the text, and now I click down here, and I'm going to say make this function more robust. Reject float and string input, add doc strings, and enter. In a moment, it will analyze 46 to 57, which is exactly what I told it to do. And here is the updated code. And when it's all done, I can now insert this code right into the application itself. And I'll go ahead and save it. And now if I run it, get number of rooms. All right, so start debugging. And in a moment, it will load. We'll call this G. Oh, okay, we're going to call it GC. And we'll call it J, and ignore that one. Number of rooms, that's the code I just updated, so I'm going to say 20. And it says that it gives me an error, which is exactly what I wanted. And so I'll say the number of rooms is 168. Occupancy rate is 0.65. Average room price is 314. Nationality mix is 0.11. And increase in occupancy 0.07. And now I have gc.text. I go here, and you can see that all of my F strings have been converted. Here are my F strings, and they have been converted into a new document here. This has been a demonstration of GitHub Copilot chat, GitHub Copilot interacting directly with code. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.